and welcome guys. In this tutorial, let's discuss what is Grafana, how to install it and how to configure it. Later on in this video series, I will discuss on how to add dashboards and how to set up alert. On a high level, to introduce Grafana, Grafana provides a way to visualize your data through interactive graphs. It also serves as your alerting mechanism when connected to a data source. To make sure on what OS I am running on, I would execute a command cat os release and grep ready. As you can see, I am running on RocklyLinux 8.6. Now let's jump on to the good part, the installation process. The first step would be to download Grafana to my local server. I would copy paste the wget command. There we go. Download is finished. That was super quick. Now I want to install Grafana. To do that, I'll copy paste the DNF command. DNF is the upgraded version of yum. Maybe in near future we'll not see support to yum command, so it's better to get going with DNF. So the installation process is started. Nice. Here is the confirmation. The installation is now finished. After the installation, we need to perform few housekeeping activities like daemon reload and enable service, so that if VM reboots anytime, our Grafana would start once the VM is started. You will also get these commands in installation logs. Just copy paste them and looks like Grafana is started now. To double check, let's check the status command with service Grafana server status. There we go. It looks like it is active. With this step, we have successfully installed Grafana. Let's continue configuring it via browser. Grafana by default runs on 3000 port number. So the way we access Grafana is IP address followed by colon and then port number. So to get my IP address, I would just run a command ifconfig grep inet. Copy paste it in the browser. Let me adjust the browser such that we will see the same screen. As you can see, Grafana is now loading. When you log in for the first time, both username and password are admin. And once you successfully log in, Grafana would prompt you to change password. You can skip if you want. Just to show you, if I retry login with admin, it fails as I have already changed the password. So let me enter my correct credentials. So login is successful. Yeah, here is the first look. This is Grafana homepage. To the bottom left, you will see a setting icon. Click it. You will find an option to add data source. More about it in coming videos. If you want to read more about Grafana, I would leave a link in the description. Just follow it. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. If you like the content, please like and subscribe the channel. Have a good day ahead. See you soon. Bye.